Welcome to Life in the UK test lesson number 4. When did people learn to make bronze? When is the Jewish celebration known as Hanukkah normally celebrated? What musical award is given during the Mercury Music Prize? Who was Boudica? Which two of the following water sports are popular in the UK? Which of the following statements is true? In the UK, what should dogs wear in public places? Where do UK residents need to register their car or motorcycle? Popular social networking websites in the UK include According to the 2011 census, what percentage of the population identified themselves as Muslim? How often are elections held for the Welsh government? Who was the British minister after Margaret Thatcher? What name is given to the person appointed by local authorities to be the ceremonial leader of a particular council? What is the meaning of the term first past the post? Who defeated Emperor Napoleon at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815? Which court deals with the most serious cases in Scotland, such as murder? What was the symbol of the House of Tudor? What animal is represented in the Welsh flag? Which famous economist developed ideas about economics during the 18th century and which are still referred to today? Who was the ceremonial head of the Commonwealth? What time do pubs usually open during the week? In which two movie categories does Britain continue to be particularly strong at? Which British artist was a portrait painter who often painted people in country or garden scenarios? During which religious celebration do Muslims sacrifice an animal to eat?